Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech again. Today I'll be unboxing an internet device which gives you access to connect to the internet. It's from one of the major networks in Nigeria. This is one of the items that comes with the device. So as you guess right, I'll be unboxing MTN broadband, which is the Cat 6 version. We have the Cat 4 version. You can see. So it's a 4G router and it can connect 32 devices at a go. So we'll be looking what comes with this broadband today. Just stay with me, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. This is to show that you are supporting the channel. Let's get into the box. Okay, opening the box, the first thing you see is the broadband device itself. It comes in a white version, just like the predecessor. I believe this is a manual. For you to read it, it gives you details about the battery. Then we have the internet cable. We have another manual. We have two antennas. And this is the adapter to connect it to power source. So what is in this white box is actually a power bank, so that you don't run out of power. When there is no power, you can actually use this. And this is now common with even the 5G router. I don't think this is worth it. It's too small for me. I think it's too small. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Then we have a base for the broadband to sit down. It's a 4G broadband. So we also have a SIM. And one good thing about this is it comes with a free 120 GB. Okay, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pause this video while I set it up and test it and see what the speed look like. If you want to see what the speed look like, subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. In your comment section, let me know who does a better broadband design, Airtel or MTN. So one of the edge I believe Airtel have over MTN is probably they did an inbuilt broadband. So this is where you insert the SIM. This is a micro USB port. This is where you connect the adapter. You can see the indicator power on, and these are bars that shows the strength of the network. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.